My mother is a diet enthusiast and she's always trying out new diets. And so recently she introduced this diet where everyone has to eat a salad in every meal, which is a great idea. But she's the one who has to peel one carrot and one cucumber for every person, for every meal. So I thought to myself that I'm an engineer, so there must be some way to solve this problem. That's why I decided to redesign the vegetable peeler.
Oh, wow.
My design looks like a magnifying glass. And this magnifying glass has blades on the inside of the frame. These blades point towards the center of that circle, and these blades are attached to the frame with springs, and these springs help the blades adjust to any size of the vegetable. For example, if you have a long vegetable like a carrot or a cucumber or bottle gourd, then simply pass it through the peeler and in one stroke you can peel it. And if it is a round vegetable or a fruit like a pear or apple or orange, then all you need to do is push the fruit towards the frame into the blades and rotate it with your hand. And the blades again will adjust to it, and in a circular way, the entire thing will be peeled. We know that peeling can take around half a minute or 45 seconds, but with my invention, you can do it in few seconds.
How does one use this? So are you meant to hold the peeler with one hand,
Yeah.
push the vegetable with the other?
Yeah.
How do you modify the pressure, or are you meant to place the vegetable on the surface and then push it down?
As of now, it's just the circular frame has a handle, and you hold the vegetable with one hand, and with the other hand, you give it a stroke.
I see.
Yeah.
There's an idea of habit when you're doing into user interface. And this is a completely, I know it solves a problem, but habit is also something we have to all think of. In everybody's houses, by the way, in India, we all have gadgets that we have bought, which we have not used. We go back to our default.
Yeah.
Very true.
So have you thought about that?
Yeah, I think that people who live at homes and in cities, they might be quick to adjust to this new type of peeler. And the difference between 15 seconds and 5 seconds is also significant. So I think that it will be useful.
So I've done a lot of peeling, cleaning, cutting, cooking in my life as a student. So this interests me a lot. The question is, would there be wastage on certain vegetables?
So actually the plan is that I can make adjustable springs in such a way that I can change their strength. So you can set it to a hard or soft setting.
Got it.
I have to say, I'm very clumsy. So I'm a little worried about when you said that I put an apple through and I push it through. What is the danger to me chopping off all my fingers?
The blades that I've designed are, they are in flush with the frame, and they are only open from one side. So the danger to your fingers is very less.
Adok, I have a question for you though.
Yep.
Okay. Why did the banana go to the doctor?
Because he was feeling akela.
Because he wasn't peeling well. Oh.
Oh my God.
Nice.
I have to.
You don't have to laugh at their jokes.
I have to. Malini, that was great.
I thought Ahana's coming to save Chinmay from all these bad jokes.
No, I'm not. In fact, I'm going to ruin it by putting another one on him. But this was such an appealing idea.
Oh, yes.
I like it.
But listen, what about onions? Like, can this peel an onion? And then will it stop my tears?
No, that's not enough.
Great.
So if you have to chop
Honestly,
onions, call him and say, please come and
Have
peel
no
onions. chop karo."
fears, no tears. Let's go backstage.
See you, dears.
Bye.
Thank you. Congratulations.